Hey everyone, Anthony here with Bulba Bites, bringing you a brand new video, and today we got a treat for you. We are going to be telling you the 3 easy steps to cooking an absolutely perfect turkey leg every single time, whether you're a novice at cooking or professional. We're going to give y'all a little bit of secrets, a little secret sauce there, and show y'all exactly what we do to cook the perfect turkey leg. Alrighty, so we are back. So we're going to keep it really simple for y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this quick breakdown of what we do to make the perfect turkey leg. And you know, the first step is prep, right? It's really easy, really simple, but it makes the world of a difference regardless of what wood you use and smoke and all that kind of stuff. The prep has to be done, right? It takes little to no time to do, but I'm gonna show y'all real quick what we end up doing that makes a world of a difference, makes for a much better bite when you are biting into the turkey leg, along with some nuances of what comes with a turkey leg as well. Okay, so first things first. Okay, so step 1, right? I try to keep it as simple as I can for you guys, because it actually is just that simple. Step number 1, prep, right? With turkey legs, the one thing that you can make the biggest mistake with turkey legs is not doing prep properly. It takes absolutely no time to do. Maybe it takes 5 minutes to do all the turkey legs that we did, and we did about 9 of them. But if you do prep correctly, it will make your bite way better. If you've ever gone to a festival, I'm going to show you why sometimes your turkey legs are very chewy and other times they're not. Okay, so prep, what you need to do. Okay, so we all know a turkey leg, right? Comes like this in the pack. And first things first, the number one thing that will make your bite way better on your turkey leg is the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this skin and you're going to peel it back. Now that looked way easier way easier than what it's actually going to be, but you're just going to pull it back, be gentle with it. You don't want to rip it or tear it, and you're going to see it looks very clean, because that's what we did with the prep. Okay, what you will see once you peel it back for the first time is the thing that I tell everybody, and this is what makes a very chewy bite. You will see this on there, right? If you eat a lot of steaks and other types of meat, you will know that this is silver skin. It is very hard to chew, and you know, god near impossible edible, you know. So it's going to be like this. You're going to take your knife, go underneath, poke, pull, and then you're going to peel it up and then start slowly cutting it out, okay, until you get clean. Some turkey legs won't be as bad, others will have it all over the place, and you will have to clean it all out. Okay, so once you cleaned it out, we keep it very simple with the seasonings. I use avocado oil just because I love the temp, and it works really high with high temperatures. And then we use garlic salt, kosher salt, and our Jack Daniel's steak seasoning. I tend to use that for a lot just because it's very simple and very easy to use. And then you coat both sides, bind it, pat it down. Do not smear it, because then you're going to be smearing it in. And then from there, then you're going to peel the skin back, cover it up to protect your meat as it smokes for the next 4 to 6 hours. And then from there, then you're going to do the same thing. Oil all your seasonings, flip the other side, do the same thing, make sure it's coated. It's very simple step, but it makes a world of a difference when it comes to the bite that you're going to get from your turkey leg. So alright, so step number 2, this is where you kind of make your own little your decision on what the flavor you want for your specific turkey leg is going to be. And this is very important, because a lot of people just throw wood in a pit and assume that it's all going to taste the same, and it really doesn't, right? You're either going to get super heavy smoke, you can get mild smoke. All wood will have different, they're all going to burn different as well. Okay, so as you can see, we have some red oak down here, we have some post oak, we have some mesquite down here. They all give different flavors. If you want an intense smoky flavor, you definitely want to go more with the mesquite. If you want more of a mild smokiness to it, you definitely want to go post oak or red oak. The other important thing to understand is the difference between wood cuts. When you split wood, when you split wood, and then when you have raw cut wood. Okay, you're going to make two tremendously different styles of burn when it comes to your pit. If you're looking to ramp up the temperature really high, definitely go with your split wood. If you're doing like a brisket or a something that's going to be smoking for 6 to 12 a long time, definitely want to go more with the raw, because it's going to take a lot longer for it to penetrate the wood than it is with a split wood. Okay, so make your wood decision. That will ultimately change the flavor of what your specific turkey leg and what your personal like is, and it allows you to customize what you're going to personally get flavor wise. Okay, so the time has come. We are going to be doing step 3, which is just letting it cook, right? The best part of barbecue and making turkey legs is time. You need time. The longer you let it smoke, usually the more tender. Depends on your temp. Usually we try to keep this around 250 and let them go for at least 4 hours, get that heavy smoke in there. And I do a blend of red oak and post oak. So we're going to put these in, and then we're going to come back in a couple of hours. And check on them. And then we may have to spritz. If we do, some people like to spritz, some people don't. I personally do, because I love getting that nice golden look to them. But yeah, we'll come back here real soon. Check on them.
5 hours later.
All right, so the time has come to do the unveiling for what we consider to be the perfect turkey leg. We are going to show you. We're going to take our bite. I'm going to explain to you kind of overall what happened, and I hope y'all enjoy it. And if y'all are, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and lets us know that y'all want to see more. And then post a comment down below if any of these suggestions help you, these tips, and what food you want to see us cook next. All right, so without further ado, here we go. Pretty hot. Shoot. All right, so here's the reason why, and I'm going to show you them up close and kind of explain to you what's going on here. So this is after 5 hours of smoke. Okay, as you can see, absolutely beautiful all the way around, coloring everywhere. Okay, but here's the reason why I classify them as to be perfect. Okay, you see all the seasoning on the skin as well. You can kind of see my finger picking it up. But what happens is when I remove the skin, you still have all the seasoning underneath as well. Okay, get the smoke from the exposed parts of the meat. All right, now you know the rule. You gotta get a bite, you gotta get a full bite. I love the skin, so I'm gonna get one. As you can see right here, all the meat got penetrated with the smoke. The seasoning is still there as well. The skin. And then we are going to peel it back. That way you can see exactly how it looks. So look, this is literally, did you see how easy that was? Literally fall off. You can see the smoke ring on it. Perfect bite. Super easy to tear. Absolutely perfect. I love the skin as well. And you can basically just do that all over the place. Look how tender this is. I can peel back layers of the turkey leg. The skin, of course, is probably my favorite part, but everything else, okay, perfect. All the way around, still has seasoning that has zero skin on it. Apologies, this is one of my first times eating on stream, but I'm excited to show y'all kind of what it was like. I hope y'all enjoyed these 3 quick tips. Make sure to leave us a comment down below if you did enjoy the tips, if they helped you, if you use them. And most importantly, don't forget, drop us a thumbs up, like on the video, subscribe if you haven't already. And let us know in the comments down below which tips you learned the most from, what food you would like to see next, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Bye.